Okay, guys. Now we've gone further on the same line, the Richmond branch, to see the level crossings. It's the same day as the this is recorded on the same day as the previous recording. Today is Thursday, the 29th of May, 2025. Time now is 1:13 p.m. So this is for your service from North Sydney to Richmond. 129 Echo followed by 129 Foxtrot, which is scheduled for 1:25. So I'll just show you around the crossing first. So this time we've got the UGL LED lights, and the alarms it has is from come from Klaxon. I'm not sure if the one on that side is still working. I have not seen a video of this crossing just yet on YouTube, so I thought I'd do it here. Now, the other level crossings on this line that I haven't found videos of yet on YouTube are Windsor at Ferry Road. I'll put a link to these sites in the description, because I probably won't have time to make it to these crossings today. And the other one in Vineyard at the station on Bandon Road. So, okay, I see the train on the map, so it should be going off any second now. Come on, Warts, where are you? Oh, there it is. Oh, so mechanical bells from here. I'm guessing the alarm's not actually sounding. It's these bells right here. Yeah, Western Cullen Hayes electronic bells. Okay, here it comes. Cheers, driver. It's A57 for Richmond. Alright, And despite the fact the alarms didn't go off, it was the bells. I guess that's probably how this crossing works. But since it's getting kind of late, I reckon I should wrap this up now. Thanks for watching.